Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So guys, thanks a lot for your love you're giving me on for my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Uh, let's start with this texturing. So very first of all, we'll be assigning this glass on top of it. So let's go into material and let's take a V-Ray material for a glass and let's rename it as glass refract and let's assign it inverse and let's give a bit of metal material. For the metal, uh, we are going to make it reflect as white. Now let's go into this and you can decrease this Fresnel reflections. So this is for your glass. As we have assigned this glass texture, Control I inverse. So after taking this, let's take another V-Ray material. Let's take a V-Ray material for a metal. So let's give the reflect Fresnel reflections. So let's assign this. Now you can use the edge glossiness also. You can use this for the metal part. So definitely we'll be selecting this all and assign the metal texture on it. So you can just check this out for the maximum reflection. So you can use a bit of turbo smooth if you want to use it, but before using turbo smooth, you can just give some connects to it. Just ring and give connect. And give some turbo smooth to it, and you can just render this. Oh, looks good. Better. So we are just assigning this same, not metal, but we're giving a color to it. Let's give a bit of a white color. Let's give a white color and let's give a bit of reflection, not much but a bit. So select this all, copy this, and you can just delete it if you want, and you can just take a copy of it. Better. Now let's save this file. You can save this file and you can give the wall texture. So let's give a bit of a grayish color. Can give a bit of a grayish texture to it. That's it. So select this. Let's come out of the editable poly. Select this. Let's go into the material. Let's take a V-Ray material and let's assign some texture. So let's assign the texture. Let's use a UVW map box and you can just fit the texture with a high length. I'll just scale it right now. Better. So we are just assigning some textures to it. So just assign the textures over here. So let's give a UVW map. So let's go into this and push this down and push this up. That's it. So convert to editable poly. Select this. Let's go into material. Again take a new V-Ray material bitmap and let's go into this and assign the texture. So let's give a UVW map box, set it, push this down. So one more texture will be applying. So assign this texture to it. So UVW map. That's it. Alright. So let's convert to editable poly. Convert to editable poly. Save your files. And as usual, we'll be assigning the white material on it. So select all of this. As this is not visible from behind, so it's fine. But whatever is visible, you need to assign those textures and colors. So let's go over here, select this material and assign it. Select this material and assign the color. Now select this part again go into material, assign it, so we are going to give the same white texture on all of this. And the gray one which we have applied over here, let's make it more lighter instead of darker. So select this, give the same color, so select all of this, select this all shapes, material, and let's assign that particular color. So just duplicate this. So now what we'll be doing for this is we'll be giving some kind of illumination. So material, we have a V-Ray light material. Let's give a light material for the glow. So you can give a light material for the better glow. So just select this, all of this, go into material and give this, press 8. So you can use HDRI if you want to use it, or we'll be just using a light bluish color for now. And let's check it if you want to check its render. So you can just check the render stuff. So I'll give a V-Ray material over here, and I'll give a bit of a light yellowish color to it. That's it. So you can just render it and just check this out, how it looks like. Okay, so we have not assigned any lights yet, but we can assign the lights to give it a proper look. So you can increase its size, and you can just push it inside and you can just render it much better way. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.